Good evening, everyone. I'm Sophie Zijer. I'm a geneticist, and I'm the CEO of Find Genomics. I'm going to tell you about a software tool our team developed. That's really a rapid DNA fingerprinting tool to speed up the time to drug discovery. So a lot of money is invested in drug discovery. So in fact, it's $71 billion. And something you might not know is that in the extensive research needed to get to this novel drug, it's completely rested on the usage of cell tissue from individual patients. So it's extremely important to keep that in a really pure and uncontaminated state. But the truth is that in this case, 20% is contaminated, is incorrect, and it's incorrectly circulating throughout the pharmaceutical and research laboratories. So why is this happening? Well, because testing and identifying these cell lines is extremely complex and is time-consuming and is actually very labor-intensive. And because of that, people don't do it. Scientists don't do it. And therefore, we waste $14 billion a year. So we developed a rapid DNA identification algorithm that allows you to do the DNA testing within the lab space. So you can do a really rapid test to verify your cell lines and to also do the periodic testing to ensure that the cell lines are correct over time to see if there's changes. We also produce a platform to allow collaboration of scientists all over the world. And I have been a lab scientist for a long time, for over 10 years. And I know the pain of not being able to verify your biological reagents and not being able to execute your experiments in a proper way and not reproducing your data. So I would have loved to have Find Cell and to be able to have this tool. And that's also why we are so dedicated in order to make this happen. So in terms of our competition, so what we can do within minutes, others do in weeks, and what we do in a few steps, others do in actually multiple steps, and it takes a long time. We believe we have the potential to grow to a $140 million revenue within this market vertical. We have an amazing team, a world-class team of scientists, software engineers and business strategists who are able to execute. We are currently raising money, and if you're interested, please talk to me after the presentation.